The NIST UAS test course is a course that's designed to objectively measure the capabilities of different small UAS platforms and their payload capabilities. At the same time, it's designed to measure pilot proficiency and standards as well. NIST is the National Institute of Standards and Technology. It's a federal research laboratory designed to advance the measurement science, technology, and standards. They're across many different fields, and they have a small part that's dedicated to UAS, or unmanned aerial systems. It's the same basic concept as having a driver's license for your vehicle. It's a basic skills test that provides some assurance that the pilot can operate safely within the national airspace and not be a hazard to other small UAS and manned aircraft alike. The benefit of the NIST course for organizations such as public safety, utility companies, or any commercial user is twofold. First, they're able to measure the proficiency of their remote pilots. Second, they can measure each individual UAS platform and its payload capabilities for different missions and objectives. When an organization decides on their standards, they can track their pilots' times and scores and track the pilot's progress and improvements. My favorite part of the NIST course is the ability to customize it for every organization out there. You can use it as a standalone testing agent, or you can break it up and embed it into different training scenarios. The future of this product is exciting. The standard test lanes are where every organization should start their training and evaluation. This is important so that pilots have the same standard training nationwide and can be called upon for mutual aid. Beyond the basic test lanes, the course can be adjusted, altered, and implemented into training scenarios for limitless training opportunities.
So a lot of courses are complex, where ours is pretty simple. The simpler the product is to set up, the more likely you are to use it. That's why our course is simple, effective, and expandable. Our course is designed and manufactured out of steel and is made right here in the USA. Each target and bucket are attached with one single wing nut. The legs are hinged to allow for compact storage. Our NIST course is durable, compact, easy to take down and set up, and is user-friendly. We're excited to be offering this product with the consumer in mind.